tape on one side, huh? We'll open from here. Get all that tape. This your main man, Keep It Clean Ray. Coming back with another vid. I put in for like everything that came out the other day. Just us. And my goal was really to get some trade bait. But I ended up getting the shoe that I least was interested in. But I said, you know what, we're gonna do a fair review on these. Y'all know what it is. Gray Jordan box cement. So y'all know it's some threes. Yeah. Cool gray threes. It don't need, I think these dropped. When did these drop? Was it February or March? One of the months. So I guess they did a little restock or whatever. Me personally, I don't even think this stuff is restock. I think they just pushing out a certain amount of shoes so they can make sure they guarantee a sellout or whatever. So yeah, everybody done did a little sneaker review on these things, so I ain't finna go into all this. Ooh, this material fire and all that. Y'all know what they are. Cool gray threes. Question is, do I want to keep these, stash these, or just go ahead and get rid of these? But before we do all that, you know, I always gotta throw these things on feed, see what's happening with them. Now, me personally, I kind of like threes that's collabs, just like the Alma Manir joints, the collab. So I ain't really all these other retros and OGs and stuff. Some of them cool, some of them ain't. They feel good on feet, I will say that. They actually feel good. Got a little box stuff on them. Okay, the question is, keep, flip, or stash? Stash means trade bait, someone down the line. So yeah, get the seal, get the seal. I will say though, it's a cool looking shoe. Cool looking shoe, gray, simple. So, you know, I don't really got enough simple stuff. But yeah, it's a simple shoe. We'll see. We'll see if we get that in. Yeah, it look like getting a good little pair too. Quality control on these though. You know, actually comfortable. Yeah, you know, comfortable. Yeah. Yeah. This ain't gonna be no long video. I wish they put that Nike stamp on the back, man. I don't really care for this stuff. Like, you already got the Jordan over here. That Nike on there, man. You got like kind of like that OG look. But yeah, we'll see though. We'll see if I keep this shit back. Oh, did I say shit? Yes, I did say shit. No, these ain't no shit. These are cool, man. We'll see.